Swiss chard is one of those funny vegetables because it grows like crazy and it's actually more versatile than people think. One of my favorite moves, especially because it's so colorful and deep, rich, vegetal, green, kind of almost minerally, is to make some chips from these. And so that's as simple as taking the leaves off of the stems. We will use these in another video. I trim up some of the extra stem if there's any on it, because this doesn't bake very well, and when the chips are finished, they cook at different rates, right? So the inside stems, the more veiny pieces, these cook slower than the leaves do. I've just got some trays with silpats on them. I'll do a touch of neutral oil and just kind of spread that around with one of the leaves, and I'll just line my baking sheet with these. You can cut shapes of these too if you want at this stage of the game. I'll do one other brush of oil on a top silpat. I'll go ahead and season these with salt, and then you just press this with another tray, and these are gonna go in the oven. That's how to use your chard leaves and make chard chips.